Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on the tech sector, Apple and Facebook. So a huge dump today that was staged, and I mean planned, in the sense that I pointed out in the other video how we had big options coming in with puts expiring this week at $57. Look where we dipped to, $56.79. So someone cashed in big, knowing that an article was coming out by the talking head, whatever his name is, saying that we're overinflated to the upside, causing a quick flush, giving some millionaires some more money, and then the bulls buying the dip. But we still had significant bear volume, the highest volume. Obviously, some of that's bull volume, but it's the highest volume day we've seen in almost 2 months, and we are extremely extended to the upside. So a lot of consolidation occurring in just a couple of hours, but in my opinion, we do still need some further consolidation. So what I anticipate to happen is an inside bar to form tomorrow, more likely than not, trading completely within the range of today, and then early next week, how we break from that inside bar will give us some short-term direction. So the bulls must hold 56.79 from here, because if that level does break, it clearly lets us know that the bears have continued momentum, and we'll be looking down at some of these gap fills, looking at 55.62 as a gap that has to fill, and the exponential supports are still holding. The 8 period is. We did close below the 4 period exponential support for the first time on this bull move, so that's worth noting. But it all depends how we react to hourly moving average resistances on any bounce continuation. We have Amazon with a bearish reaction to earnings, although it's not too bad, and the tech sector after hours is not really being affected significantly, it seems, at this point. So looking at the weekly time frame for XLK, we've got a bearish reversal doji, so we have to be watching for potential confirmation of that next week. We are rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band. If we see a red week next week and a break of 56.79, we will be looking for further consolidation, and our target will be the weekly middle Bollinger Band, which the last consolidation support was found and bounced off of. Apple still hasn't reported earnings. Big time dump. Apple gave back almost 2 weeks of upside on that big pullback. Bulls bought the dip significantly. This 50-day moving average support has held the past 2 dips, but this is a little bit scary for the bulls. That was a huge dump. We dumped from $54 down under $48, over a $6 dump. So from here, same thing. Such a large range, inside bar is likely. Our new must-hold support is 147.30, but we're forming a bearish reversal candlestick on the weekly time frame. Obviously, tomorrow's day is going to affect how these weekly candlesticks shape up, but it is worth noting that after such a strong move over the past few weeks, that we are seeing a bit of toppy action. So tomorrow's candlestick, with regards to today's bounce and regards to today's low, will be telling, but I do believe Monday and an inside bar break will be the clear tell in terms of direction for next week. Facebook, bullish reaction to earnings, big time profit taking, getting caught up in the mix here, but the gap to fill didn't fill at 166.01. So bulls still holding on strong. Same thing as everything else. The bulls have so much wiggle room here in terms of where we could pull back and still maintain an uptrend. We didn't even touch the 4-period exponential support. So Facebook bulls don't have anything to worry about. Just going to be watching to see how significant of an upper wick we see form on this weekly time frame. Also a potential volume climax here, but a lot of that does have to do with earnings. So we'll have to see. If I were in any tech name, I'd want to be in Facebook because of where we are positioned on the daily chart and how much support we have and how much we could pull back and still stay in an uptrend. So that's what we've got heading into tomorrow. And again, inside bars likely to form, but we'll have to see. That low of yesterday is a must hold for bulls, or I should say the low of today, must hold for bulls. If it breaks, we know the bears have continued momentum. If it holds, inside bars are likely. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you over the weekend.